So get this. A company famous for making graphics cards that power our video games and data centers just sent a gift to a robot. And what was inside that box could completely rewrite the future of automation.
Enjoy your new brain.
That was the note. Short, simple, and a little bit chilling, right? It's from NVIDIA's CEO, Jensen Huang. And it came inside a gift box that was handed to a humanoid robot during this big, dramatic launch video. You'd think this is straight out of a movie, but nope. This is all very, very real.
So let's talk about this mysterious gift for a robot.
The video actually shows these humanoid robots opening the box up, and inside is a brand new device, something designed to make them, well, a whole lot smarter.
All right, so let's pop the hood on this thing ourselves and really see what makes this so-called new brain tick.
Okay, this is it. The Jetson Thor. It's basically a super powerful new AI computer, a module built specifically to act as the central nervous system for all kinds of autonomous machines, everything from robots in warehouses to advanced humanoids. And when I say this thing is new, I don't just mean it's a minor update. We are talking about a monumental leap in raw power. Seriously, the numbers here are just staggering. For starters, it is packing 7.5 times more AI computing power than its predecessor. 7.5. Then, you're looking at more than triple the general CPU performance.
And on top of all that, it's got double the memory.
So, when you put all those numbers side by side, you really get the picture. This isn't your usual year-over-year upgrade. A 750% boost in AI horsepower? That's not an update, that's a whole new ballgame. It's the kind of jump that just unlocks totally new possibilities. But what does all that power actually mean for a robot? Well, for one, it can now run these huge, complex generative AI models right there on its own body. No cloud connection needed. It can process a massive flood of information from its cameras and sensors in real time, with basically zero lag. And that is absolutely crucial for making split-second, safe decisions. It's what makes a robot truly autonomous. Okay, so we've seen the hardware. Now let's talk about what this means for the robots themselves and how this new brain is creating a smarter, more independent generation of machines. NVIDIA themselves put it pretty bluntly. They said with the launch of Thor, robots worldwide are about to get a lot smarter. And you know what? This isn't just slick marketing. The biggest names in robotics are already jumping on board. And we're talking about the heavy hitters here. You've got Boston Dynamics integrating Thor into their famous Atlas robot for way better real-time perception. Agility Robotics is using it in their Digit robot to supercharge warehouse efficiency. And of course, top university researchers are using it to push the absolute limits of navigation and perception. The adoption is happening right now. All of this, it's pointing to something much bigger, isn't it? It's really all about NVIDIA's massive, long-term bet on the entire future of robotics. Which, it kind of makes you wonder, why is a company that makes most of its money from data centers and gaming GPUs so utterly obsessed with building brains for robots? I mean, just take a look at their revenue breakdown right now. Robotics is this tiny little sliver of the pie, just about 1%. The vast majority comes from their data center business. So why pour all this energy and R&D into such a small segment? Well, the answer comes straight from the top. The CEO, Jensen Huang, has said it himself. He sees robotics as the company's single biggest growth opportunity for the future. They're not playing for today's market. They are building the hardware for what they believe the entire world is going to run on tomorrow. And that leaves us with one final, fascinating question, doesn't it? With these new brains making robots so much smarter, so incredibly fast, what happens next?